everybody, today is April 17th, 2009, and we've made it to Friday. And our model for today is an inflatable box. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Today's model starts out using that water bomb base, which is something we learned to make a while back. So let me go ahead and review that for you. What you want to do is start out with your paper with the white side facing up, and you're going to fold it in half in both directions on the diagonal. Like that. And then flip it around and fold it in half horizontally. And when you do that, it will look like this, and you'll find that you can push it in on those diagonal folds. Or rather, I guess that's really that's the horizontal fold. You're pushing in on the horizontal fold, and it will fold out on the diagonals, and you'll have a piece when you're done that looks like this. And this is the water bomb base. Okay, so now next what you want to do is with your base like this, you're going to fold each one of the bottom corners up to this top point. So first one side, then flip it around, and then the other side. So it will look like this. Next, you want to fold each one of these side corners into that center line, and you've got sort of flaps up at the top here, and you're folding the other corners to the line here. So first one, then the other, flip it around, do the same thing. When you're done, it will be like this. All right, so we're really almost there, and I'm gonna go through these next two steps really and combine them, because I think it's pretty easy to continue through from one to the next step. What you're doing, you have your piece that looks like this, and there's flaps up at the top here. And what you're basically going to do is to fold over the flap like this, and then continue one more fold and tuck it in. See if I can open that. See how there's an opening there? So what you're going to be doing is then folding it over again and tucking it in like that. So here you go. You fold it over, fold it over, and then continue one more time over and tuck it in. And then flip it over the same. And I've already done it on the one side here. So here, this one, it's folded over once, fold it over again, and fold it all the way in. Of course, you know, the last one doesn't want to go. Okay, there you go. And tuck it in. So when all is said and done, it will look like that. The very last thing that we're going to do is to actually blow this thing up. So I took my lipstick off so I wouldn't make a total mess of it. And now you've got, this is the end, the top end where you tucked everything in. The other end is where you're going to open it up and blow. There's a little hole there, so just blow. Like that. And there you have your box. Once you get it filled with air, you can go around and finesse it a little bit and make it look more box-like. There you go. All right, so that's all I have for you today, our box. Hope you all have a great rest of your Friday and a wonderful weekend. I think spring is really starting to show up in many other places in the country, so I'm glad for you if you're finally getting some nice weather and a break from the cold, cold winter. And if not, hopefully spring will come your way soon. And I'll see you back here on Monday. We're going to be working on a frog. So I'll see you then. And until then, have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.